Hey guys, hi everyone. So today in this lecture, I will show you how to create bullet chart in Excel. So let's say I have some data here, I have some grades, I have some values, I have some target. So I want to create one bullet chart here for 2022, 2023 and 2024. Okay. So now how we can create that bullet chart, that I will show you step by step. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to select this data, 2022 data, and then you need to go to insert. In insert you need to go to bar chart, and then you need to click on stack column chart. Okay, so after clicking on stack column chart, your data will be looking like this. So now what you have to do, you need to click on it, and then you need to click on switch row column. Okay, so after clicking on switch row column, your bar graph will be coming in one, all the data will be coming in one bar graph only. So now what you have to do, so this is your target bar graph. Okay, so this target bar graph, you need to right click on this, and then you need to click on change series chart type. Okay, so after clicking on change series chart type, so little bit downward side you have to come, and then here in target, here it is stack column. Okay, so instead of stack column, you have to take here as stacked line with markers. Okay, and then you need to click here on secondary axis. So this target bar I have taken on secondary axis now, because that was my target. Why I have taken? Because I want to compare my target with the actual. That's why I have taken on the secondary axis. Okay, so now I am clicking on OK. So here this part, this dotted part is coming here as a target. So now what I want to do exactly here, so I can change the format, or I can change the shape also of this particular shape. So what you have to do, you to right click on this, and then you have to click on format data series, and then you have to click here, and you have to go to markers, and in marker options you have to go to built-in. In built-in, you can change the shape for this. So I have changed the shape, like line shape I have taken here, and I can change the size also. Instead of 5 I have taken 15 here. Okay, so as you can see here, I am pressing enter. So now this is my target dash, we can say. So now I have some value bar graph also. So this is my value bar graph. Okay, so now for this also I can change the color for this also. So let's say I have taken a solid line. In solid line I have taken a red color instead of green color. So I can take here, so I can change the color from here also. We have some formatting options here. Okay, so let's say, so this was for line. Similarly we can change for marker also. So like here we have taken a red color here, so red color we come here. So now moving forward to this, we have some value also. So let's say this is my value point, that is my 75% is my value. So what you have to do, you have to click on this value, and then you have to right click on it, and then you have to go to change series chart type. Okay, so after going to change series chart type, you need to move a little bit downward side, and then you need to click here on secondary axis. So this value also I have taken on secondary axis. Let's say I have taken on secondary axis this one, and then I have pressed OK. Okay, so now the value has been come in secondary axis. So now what I have to do, this value I have to right click on it, and I have to go to format data series. Okay, so now after going to format data series, I need to increase the gap width. Okay, so I have increased the gap width so that my value is showing clearly. Now this is my value and this is my target. Okay, so now moving forward, so let's say I have taken this value. So now my bullet chart is 90% ready. So now what I have to do exactly, let's say like this percentages are coming here on the right hand side. So I'm deleting this percentage because I don't want this percentages. This is my actual percentages. So now this is 1 is coming. So instead of 1 I want 2022 here. So what I will do, I will go to select data. Okay, in select data I will go to edit, and instead of that one I have taken this 2022. You need to select this 2022 and then you need to click on OK. So as you can see here, 2022 is coming. So this is my bullet chart for 2022. As you can see, my value was 75% and my target was 85%. So this is the dash, it is in 85% and this value is in my 75%. So similarly, I want to create same bullet chart for 2022, 23 as well as 2024. So what I will do, I will use a shortcut for this. I will simply drag this part from here. So automatically my 2023 and 24 bullet chart will be ready. So this is the chart which I have created. This is a bullet chart which I have created here. So hopefully you have understood how we can create a bullet chart. So now there are some other formatting options also which I will show you. If you don't want this line, you can simply do no fill in this, that like in this line. If you don't want this line, then you can do no fill, or else it is okay, like if you want then. So basically I want this line because this line indicates what is the target trend. Okay, so now we can change the color also here. Like I have changed the color here, like I have taken, I go to format and I want to shape fill, and I have taken this color. Let's say I have taken this color. Again for this I have changed this color. Like I want this color instead of this. I want this color. Again I want this color for this. Okay, again I want the light blue color for this. Okay, so now I'm changing the color for bar also. So I've changed the color to black. Okay, so now you can see the chart is looking little bit good as compared to the previous one. So this was the bullet chart. Hopefully you have understood this lecture. So guys, meet you in next lecture.